Brad Williams, Excel primed. In this tutorial, it'll be short. How many days between dates? What we're going to do is we're just going to go A minus B or B minus A, whatever you want to do. B5 minus C5. We have a wedding date and an announcement date. How many days between? 133. Hit F9 and see, it's just simple math. B5 minus C5. If you want to add some stuff, you want to add text, this is the way you do it. You have to use quotes and concatenate. That means this and sign. So what we did is we just said, you can type this in just, and then we took B6 minus B7, but you have to put the and sign before and after. Then in order to start up your text again, you need quote, space, and then whatever you want to type. And then end whatever your text in a quote. That's it. We'll get more into the text side down the road, but that's just a quick overview of just adding and subtracting dates. Look over here. You can read this. It's pretty much translated to what I just said. Brad Williams, Excel primed.